Big breaking update coming in, viewers. Highly placed sources tell Republic TV that star India batter Virat Kohli is going to miss out on at least first two matches of the Ranji Trophy due to neck sprain. Republic learns Kohli has also received a neck injection for the sprain, due to which he will not be available. Meanwhile, Rishabh Pant has confirmed the availability to Delhi District Cricket Association. So this is what we see right now, viewers. Back-to-back updates coming in right now on Republic TV. There was a big suspense around Virat Kohli's participation in Delhi's upcoming Ranji Trophy match. From what we are getting to know, and by the way, this is source-based information, Kohli will be skipping the Ranji Trophy. That is right, Kohli will be skipping the Ranji Trophy, viewers. And we are being joined right now by Rakshita, who will get us more on this. Yes, Rakshita, go ahead. Big suspense over Virat Kohli's participation, but our sources have confirmed a few details to us. Go ahead.
Well, yes, of course, highly paid sources tell us that there is suspense still looming around Virat Kohli's participation. He has not made himself officially available. So when we talk to the DDCA, they say, yes, there is no word from Virat Kohli yet. That's what the DDCA is saying, that there is no word from Virat Kohli as far as his availability is concerned. And what we are also learning is that he is not really available due to fitness issues. The fitness issue that Virat Kohli has conveyed to the DDCA is a neck sprain, for which he has also taken neck injections, and henceforth he will be unable to participate in the Ranji Trophy, especially if we talk about the first two matches. The upcoming match is versus Saurashtra. That is on the 23rd of January, and that is one of the biggest. Everybody is looking forward to that match. Rishabh Pant has made himself available. He's a young cricketer. He has made a comeback after a very serious injury. And remember, Virat Kohli, Rohit Sharma have been under the scanner for their performances. They are under scanner for their contributions to the team. There are calls being made by the fans that they should retire if they cannot contribute. And just yesterday, Shivangi, Republic TV, remember, had been going big on this story when it comes to the BCCI's rules, the new rules. They were confirmed yesterday. It's an impact story as well. BCCI now made it compulsory for all the cricketers to play domestic cricket. This has been the norm, but it has been violated. The star cricketers have been time and again given exemptions from domestic cricket. They have stayed away from domestic cricket. Virat Kohli hasn't played domestic cricket since around Ranji Trophy since around a decade. So everybody was waiting for Virat Kohli's availability because he is out of form, and everybody has been waiting for him to give that nod. But what we know through reliable sources is that he will not be available for Ranji Trophy. He is not going to play because of a neck sprain.
Okay, Rakshita, hold on. Also being joined by Ankit from a SportFit team. Ankit, this is coming in after the BCCI has clearly told all its international players that you also have to play domestic matches. So this big update on the sources that we are breaking for our viewers is also very significant, given the fact the BCCI's directive to all the international players. Yes, Ankit.
After Sanju Samson skipped a Ranji Trophy match, now BCCI is going to, investigate as to what exactly went wrong with Sanju Samson. I feel, there shouldn't be double standards, and I feel even an investigation should be done on Virat Kohli if he is not available to play the match on the 23rd against Saurashtra at Rajkot. Because one, it's a very important match, so Kohli should be there. And Kohli is not part of the England white ball series. So there is no reason why Kohli should not be participating. What we understand is Kohli is in his new mansion in Alibag, where he had a Griha Pravesh very recently. Yesterday we spoke to the DDCA director, whom I asked as to, did you all get in touch with Team Virat Kohli? And if so, what was the response? So they said that Virat Kohli, players of such stature, Virat Kohli and Rohit Sharma, they just don't need to play domestic cricket. Well, I found that statement pretty bizarre, but now sources close to Republic are claiming that Virat Kohli has got a neck sprain. We really don't know the magnitude of the sprain, so we cannot make any comments on that. But we also understand that Kohli has been taking injections consistently over the past week or so. So that's the latest right now that we have got to know. We will keep tracking this story. We are going nowhere. Republic will keep tracking this story. And surely we'll get more updates on this.
We are getting more updates. I just want to go back to Rakshita because Rakshita has some more details for us. Go ahead, Rakshita.
No, of course, the fact that, as Ankit also pointed out, the DDCA official tells us that, Rohit and Kohli do not need to, they don't need to play domestic matches. It's, of course, something that even the DDCA is understanding that they do not really expect much from, the domestic, all the associations. We talk about Mumbai Cricket Association. Also, remember, Rohit Sharma has been, there have been many videos of him doing the rounds where he's jogging and he's seen, doing some batting practice also with the domestic players. But there is still no confirmation, by the way, from Rohit Sharma as well. But there's a lot of speculation that he might just go. There are reports floating around that he might just be available for one of the Ranji matches. There is no confirmation still from Rohit Sharma as well. But as far as the Delhi Cricket Association is concerned, Kohli is unlikely. This is what we've been learning for the past 2 days. We've been tracking the story, and for the past 2 days, as Republic TV is the lead, is getting our viewers all the latest on the news breaks on the internal rift in the dressing room and how Gautam Gambhir has been trying to crack down on the superstar culture, and the dismal performance is being reviewed. Yesterday we saw the notice by the BCCI, right from restricting the stay of the families to the extra luggage to not participating in ad shoots or any other ad campaigns on social media or otherwise during the matches. These are these are some of the directives. These are some of the rules that have been now being put in paper in black and white by the BCCI for a reason, because there is discipline issue. There are disciplinary issues which from the seniors to the juniors, everybody will have to be probed on. And this is, of course, one of the important, and when the disciplinary issues are different, but when it comes to form, there has to be focus on the game. And there has been, we see that Rohit Sharma and Kohli and many other cricketers have been making consistently the same mistakes. And you have to go back to domestic cricket, right? Saurav Ganguly did that. He had this entire episode between himself and Greg Chappell. He was out of the team. He was sacked. He was out of the team. But he went back to domestic cricket. But this was long back. We're talking about 15, 20 years back. But we have to make this a norm once again that even the star players cannot be exempted from the Ranji Trophy from domestic cricket. They have to come and fix their game and then go to their deserved positions in Team India, which millions of youngsters have been vying for that top spot.
All right, Rakshita, thank you for joining us. Rakshita and Ankit both joining us on this big sports story.